Production.
Squad, let's take a look at Arkk Innovation ETF here. Cathie Woods, she about to pop. I guarantee this again. I'm telling you right now, anyone who's watching this video, if you remember everyone hyping up Cathie Woods up here and then everyone talking shit down here, is going to start again. People are going to start pumping this chick's bags because she's nasty with it, man. It might not be the perfect timing. Like she sold, sure. She at the bottom, she might have made some bad plays or whatever, or her team, whatever it is. It doesn't matter. What we're looking at is a solid potential play here. What I like the most about this is that it's clear the trend has completely changed, right? It's no longer a downtrend. We've made our first higher low out of this downtrend since 2021, right? So it's been a couple years here, down 80%. We've seen the lower highs, the lower lows continuously being made. Now we're seeing a higher high and a higher low. We need to assume that there's going to be a continuation, especially because a lot of these tech stocks have been performing really well. Just a quick example, look at Tesla. This year has performed excellent. Arkk Innovation ETF holds a lot of Tesla, right? So this is the next move here. We're looking for a breakout of this trend line, which it looks like it officially closed above, and a continuation towards that $45 zone. It's clear that that $45 zone is a resistance, so we might need another test of that zone, right? We come up to the upside, test this area once more before we get that move to 52, right? But essentially what we're looking at right here in between this $52 zone and this $34 zone is a large accumulation base happening, right? So it might take a while. We might see this mid 2023 where it's still in between these two ranges. All that's happening is there's a large equilibrium zone that's being created in this range, right? Before we get the move, right? So if you're a long-term investor, you want to be paying attention now and investing now, right? Of course, along the way, there's going to be some great quick plays and option calls you could look into. But if we're looking at longer term, you're expecting markets to rise, you're going to expect this to eventually come back to the $80 zone at some point. And right now, Arkk is sitting at 40. So there's a doubler here in the future. No one knows when, but the likelihood, especially due to all the monetary debasement and inflation, so they're pumping they're pumping money into the markets, right? A few billion has been pumped into markets due to just simply printing more money. Like, this is going to continue happening. Take advantage of it. So Arkk is one of the favorites that we're looking at. I really like how we make that higher low, and it's so structured. It's not like a collapse into a higher low. It's a nice structured play where you see it slowly coming down to create that higher low and retest that $34 range, right? Higher than the lowest point we made at 29. So things are looking good here on Arkk Innovation ETF. Peace.